Hey guys, welcome to my channel. What's good? Please excuse my eye if it's looking a little irritated. I had already started this eye look and halfway through I realized that I forgot to press record. So here we are, take two.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
I obviously already did one eye off camera. Today's eye look is a very red look with purple. I wanted to match my shirt, kind of add some fun, have some fun with the colors and just play around with makeup for a bit. So this is what I came up with, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start by packing some red onto my crease. Okay guys, so now that we have this eyeshadow packed on there, I'm gonna go ahead and start blending it just very little bit, guys, because red eyeshadow is one of those eyeshadows that could go very wrong if you're not careful with it, because a lot of the times they tend to have a very pink undertone or like a berry undertone or something, and it just ends up not looking as red. Slowly start blending it. Okay guys, and now that I have that red blended out a little bit, I'm just going to go ahead and go back into it and just pack it on, because as I did mention that once you blend them out, they usually tend to look a little bit more on the pinkier side, or they just don't look as red anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and just pack this on. So now I'm going to be taking this liquid eyeshadow. This one is from Hard Candy and this is the number 1542. And I'm going to go ahead and place this right here in the center of my eyes. Kind of going into the corner, the inner corner there a little bit. Using this brush that I had already placed a little bit of product on to go ahead and start kind of cutting my crease with it. Now that we have that placed, I'm just going to go ahead and back into the red and, you know, blend these colors together a little bit. Okay guys, that's basically how simple it was. I'm just going to go ahead and add some eyeliner and pop in some eyelashes, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is what the eyes are looking like. I am obsessed with them, honestly. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Like, I just can't get over it. I love it. I love my eye look today, but we're still not done. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face, and then we'll be right back to doing the lower lash line.
Oh baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Oh, oh. Baby, now let me warm you up. Oh baby, please let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold, I will warm you. Every day I reach out slim as a heart, baby. Let me warm you up. Let me love you much. Baby, don't hold to get me. Enjoy your life, try to be happy. Come on with me, baby. Oh, oh, oh. Never ever leave without me. Oh, oh, oh. Baby, now let me warm you up.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and let this bake, but while we're baking, I'm gonna go ahead and start with my lower lash line. I'm gonna just take the red and put this very closely. I am working on not making so many ugly faces anymore while I do my makeup, so it's hard. It's a challenge, but dip into some purple and keep it real close to my lash line. Hey guys, and of course you already know we gotta coat our bottom lashes with mascara.
Baby, please, let me love you much. Baby, baby, don't be cold. I will warm you. Every day I reach out to you, baby.
So for lips, I'm gonna be doing this Victoria's Secret Velvet Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Love, and topping it off with this liquid lip color from Rimmel in the shade Rosetto Liquido, Rosetto Liquido, or Rosetto Liquido. I don't know, but let's give this a try. Okay guys, so that goes ahead and completes today's video. I personally really loved it. We'll give it 5 stars, and I hope you guys enjoyed it as well and liked it as much as I did. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.
Sipping this lean, I'm living carefree, da da da. LSD for me and you, keep up please. You can't judge nobody, so don't judge me. I just like smoking that weed, I just like smoking that